Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check a review about the topics that we saw this week. We have will, want, comparative adjectives, and as. Okay, so this is like a little video game, so you have to choose with the mouse the correct answer. Enjoy it! Let's practice! The airport be busy today. I think he win the next election. What is the comparative of small? What is the comparative of fast? What is the comparative of cold? Ken is a giraffe. Sue is Lucy. Thank you guys. This has been everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comment, any doubt, please write it in this post. See you guys.